Hi there everybody. So on this video I have this mini one 2007. This is giving me a little bit of a cutout situation, but it doesn't actually cut out. It just drops the revs, but it carries on running. It just does it sporadically. It's not all the time. Like right now seems to be okay, but suddenly it drops. But like I said, it doesn't do it all the time. But what I've discovered is that when I disconnect one of the sensors, and I mean this sensor here, when I disconnect that, the car runs better and it doesn't cut out. Just trying to see if it will do the problem. It's because it normally does it when it's cold, and once it's warmed up it seems to be okay. But also I'm just gonna check for some fault codes here, and I know I have a fault code because I disconnected this valve, and when I disconnect that valve, like I said, the car runs fine. So I bought this second hand, it's not a valve, sorry, it's a sensor, and it's got a specific name which is called and it's a fairly simple to replace. Basically 3 10mm bolts hold this in place, and we can take it out. So here we are, the Valvetronic eccentric shaft sensor. That's what this is called, a Valvetronic eccentric shaft sensor. So I'm gonna clear that, which will probably come up anyway again because I need to unplug it. So originally I wasn't really getting any fault codes, just the car wanting to cut out, but not all the time. Only when you start it from cold, or when you start it after a while. But generally running okay. So what I discovered is that in the past few days I've been starting the car every day without this being connected. Okay, so this eccentric valve is located on the end of the camshaft here. I've already removed 2 of the bolts, and there's a third one there, and also we need to unplug it. But be careful when unplugging this, because these little clips tend to break, and you might be able to see here the one they sent me is also broken, which they did tell me about it, but I can see that it's happened to them. The same thing happened to me, but I'm not too bothered about the little clip as long as the sensor is working okay. So I'm going to remove it. I just got 1 bolt holding this at the moment. And this should literally come out like so. A little bit of oil around here. Anyway, have the new valve here. Well, second hand really. I'm gonna push that in there, put one of the little 10 mils in there. And then see how the car runs. It might be a little bit of a trial and error situation. But this has been giving me a few issues, sometimes even backfiring a little, so I think this sensor, let's just make sure it's sitting in nicely. Okay, so I'm gonna put those two after. Just wanna see how the car is running. Connect this in. But because usually I have the problem when the car is cold, I might not be able to tell until tomorrow. Right, let's get this started. And I might just need to delete the fault code. There's no fault codes in there, but okay. Let's just check again. I think this is somehow related to the Valvetronic, this part. Okay, no fault codes. Okay, that's okay, that's good. So at the moment it seems to be working okay actually. But like I said, it will be a bit of a trial and error, and tomorrow, so let's switch on the aircon here. Tomorrow when the car is cold, I'm going to start it and see what it does. But at the moment it seems to be a lot more stable than it was when I left it running for a while before. But like I said, when it was warm it was running okay, so it will be a matter of checking in the morning. So I will update if there's any changes, but for now, if this video helps you, if you're in need of changing that eccentric valve, that's where it's located. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.